Wow, making JAM mathematics so simple. So just click the subscribe button so that we can give you updates on all of our videos that will be coming up. And before the JAM commence, which is starting on 14th, we'll be releasing a very short video on secret to excelling in any exam you sit down. There are tips that can help you to excel. How will you sit in an exam whereby so many billions of people, so many intelligent people, and yet you can still succeed? So just click the subscribe button. We're going to be sharing such videos in few days from now. Thank you. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the first session of our tutorial, and we'll be starting with number basis. The number basis will be starting with binary. When we talk about binary, we are talking of just base 2 numbers, and the binary number has just 2 numbers, which is my 0 and 1. So let's start with addition of binary numbers. So giving an example 1, I have 11011 plus 101 in base 2. So I want to find the sum of these numbers in base 2. So I have 11011 plus 101. Now you start just like your normal decimal number, that's your base 10 number. 1 plus 1 is 2. But of course we know that since my binary number has just 0 and 1, 2 is not included. So what do? I reduce 2 by dividing it by my base, which is 2. So I can say 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. So you write down your remainder and then you carry the 1. 1 plus 1 of course is still 2. So what do? I write the remainder, which is 0, and I carry 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1 plus 1, 2. I write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Of course, I write 0, carrying my 1. 1 plus 1 still gives me 2. Then I write 0, carry my 1, which becomes 1 plus 0, which is 1. So this becomes my result in base 2. I hope we understand that. Let's take another example for a better understanding. Example 2. Let's say we are given 1100 in base 2 plus 111 in base 2. So for me to solve this just the way we did that earlier, we have a 1100 plus 111. 0 plus 1 of course is 1, and 1 is my base 2 number. So I have my 1. 0 plus 1 of course is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, of which I reduce by dividing by 2. So 2 into 2 I have 1, remainder 0. So I write my 0 and I carry 1. 1 plus 1 still give me 2. When I divide by 2, I have 1, remainder 0. Take my remainder and I bring the 1. 1 plus 0 becomes 1. So of course my result becomes 10011 in base 2. We are going to move into the next base, which is our base 3. Alright, so we are going to be checking numbers in base 3 also as example. Now let's have, since we are dealing with base 3, a base 3 number is just a number that has the element 0, 1, and 2, or the digits 0, 1, and 2. That's the base 3 numbers. So let's say I have a number 21214 in base 3. Of course, this is wrong. Why? Because 4 is not a base 3 number. Of course, so I can say I have 212 base 3, absolutely correct, plus my 222 base 3. So let's look at the addition of this. So I have my 212 plus 222. Now 2 plus 2 gives me 4, of which I know my base 3 number has the highest number as 2. So what do? I reduce that 4 by dividing it by 3, because I'm working with a base 3 number here. So I say just draw a short division table here. 3 into 4 is 1, remainder 1. I write my remainder 1, then I carry 1 above. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Of course, the same result. I write my 1 and I carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So what do? I divide 3 by 5. So I have my 3, 5. Of course, 3 here, 1, remainder 2. Write my remainder, which is 2. Bring down my 1. Of course, 1 plus 0 becomes what? 1. And so this is my final answer in base 3. Hope we are together and we are getting the concept. Let's take another example of addition of my base 3 number. That's we have example 2. Suppose I have 222 in base 2 in base 3 plus my 110 in base 3. So now I want to add these numbers in base 3. Of course, I can write it as 1110 plus my 223. 222 base 3. So 0 plus 2 gives me 2. Of course, 2 is in my base 3 digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. But of course, we know the highest maximum number we can have in a base 3 number is 3. So what do? I divide that 3 by my base 3. So 3 into 3 is 1 remainder 0. I write down my remainder, which is 0, and I carry the 1 above. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Just as we have done earlier on. When you divide 4 by 3, you have your 1 remainder 1. You write down your remainder, you carry the other one. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So my result in base 3 becomes 2102 in base 3. Okay, so we're coming to base 5 numbers. So of course, just would have known the pattern by now that the base 5 number just contains 5 digits, which is my 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Please, you must note that 5 is not involved in it because we have just 5 digits. Now let's take example of addition in base 5. Okay, let's say we have 4 to 4 in base 5 plus my 3 to 1 in base 5, and I want to find the addition of this in base 5. Just take my 4 to 4 plus 3 to 1 base 5. 4 plus 1 gives me 5. Of course, I know 5 is not in my base 5 number. What do? I divide 5 by 5. That gives me 1 remainder 0. I write down my remainder, which is 0, carry 1. So this becomes 1 plus 2, that's 3 plus 2, 5. Of course, 5 is still not, so I divide 5, which is 1 remainder 0. Write down my remainder 0, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So what do I do? Just in my small table here, I have this to 8. 5 into 8 is definitely 1 remainder 3. Write my remainder 3 and I carry 1. Of course, 1 plus 0, 0 becomes 1. So my final answer becomes 1300 in base 5. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of the session of addition of number bases. So we'll be moving. Just do well to click the subscribe button. In our next video, we'll be moving to subtraction of number bases. Please don't forget to do well to click the subscribe button. If you are following on Facebook, follow us on YouTube and click the subscribe button. We can give you updates on our next tutorial. Thank you.